This is TFT's new EF1 remote control forestry monitor. TFT's EF1 monitor is the most compact monitor in its class. It's easy to install, it has the durability for off-road applications, and it has a wide range of controller and nozzle options. It's the most compact monitor in its class because the EF1 motors are built into the monitor housing and won't stick out away from the monitor like other traditional monitors in the fire service. So this allows the EF1 to stand at only 13 inches tall with a depth of only about 6 inches. It's easy to install because it has a one-plug connection that supplies power and communication to the monitor. Just like all other TFT monitors, it has the durability for off-road applications because the EF1 is manufactured from an aluminum casting that's hard coat anodized and then powder coated inside the waterway and on the outside. Last but not least, the EF1 offers a wide range of nozzle and controller choices. The nozzle choices include our brand new ER bubble cup nozzle. This nozzle allows you to achieve 20 or 95 GPM and also has a built-in foam aspiration attachment, allowing you to deliver the best quality of finished foam. The EF1 also has a full range of controller options, including our most popular joystick controller and also our new Bluetooth controller capability. With TFT's new Bluetooth tactile touchscreen controller, you have the ability to control this monitor with no wires at all through a Bluetooth connection. This allows even easier installation because you don't have to cut into the firewall of your apparatus and install those extra wires. For more information on TFT's new EF1 remote control forestry monitor, visit tft.com.